everyone and welcome back. Today we are going to create the look which is a super high shine look. This is one of the looks which is my absolute favorite and I love creating looks like this. I actually don't like anything which is too matte. Anything which has too much of sheen, which glows is definitely my cup of tea and it's my jam, and I love creating these looks. This is one of the looks that I'm wearing right now, wherein the powder is very less, and I have created the whole look using the cream products. So in case you want to see how did I create this look, keep on watching. And yes, before you get on to see that video, let me tell you about our online program, which is www.crushbykonicalive.com. So if you are a makeup artist, or you're just a beginner, or you want to be a pro, you want to brush off your skills, whether you're a makeup artist or you are not, you can learn makeup at the comfort of your home from any part of the world. And you can learn to create different looks using different products, wherein we tell you each and everything in detail about the products, a thorough detailed explanation about the looks that we create. So in case you want to register yourself, please register at www.crushbykonicalive.com and be a pro. I have cleansed my skin and moisturized it really well. Now I'm going to start with this Milagro Beauty Pure Essential Oil. This is one of the oils which is known to create that glowy and dewy look on your face. I'm going to apply it all over the face. And now I'm going to use Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter and apply it all over my face with this IT Cosmetics brush, since I want to create that high shine. And this is one of the products that give you that amazing sheen all over your skin. Can you see the sheen? For my foundation, I'm using the Laneige Glow Foundation. This foundation looks a little lighter than my skin tone, but I think I will bronze it well and this would look great. It's a very nice and dewy foundation. Doesn't cover too much. And I am applying it with this IT Cosmetics brush. I really need to bronze this foundation just to make it look like my skin tone. And now I'm going to use a damp beauty blender so that it picks up all the extra foundation which is there on my face. I'm going to moisturize my lips with this Dior Glow Pomade, my go-to lip moisturizer. And for concealer, I'm using this Bobbibrown concealer. I'm going to use this mini beauty blender to blend the concealer well. Now for bronzing my face, I am using the Soleil Tan de Chanel. It's a nice bronzer and I am bronzing it using the brush from Makeup by Analia collection. I am going to contour my nose as well with this. And my jawline too. For the powder, I am using Coverfx Illuminating Setting Powder in the shade Light, And why I am using this powder? Because this is an illuminating powder and creates that beautiful subtle glow on your skin. Now for powder bronzer, I'm using the Mercier Sheer Perfecting Powder in Candle Glow. And again, I'm using the Analia brushes. For my nose, I'm using this high-ris brush, which I feel is perfect for your nose contour. Now I'm applying blush, and this is from MAC in the shade New Romance. I will apply it mainly on the apples of the cheeks and blend it gradually towards the temples. Now for that perfect high shine look, I am using Benefit What's Up Soft Focus Highlighter, and I will apply it on all the high points of my face. This is one product that creates such a beautiful glow on skin. I absolutely love this product from Benefit. Just look at the glow. For my brows, I'm using the IT Cosmetics eyebrow pencil. And use the spoolie from Makeup by Analia collection. Now I'm going to take the same Laura Mercier bronzer, which was in the shade Candle Glow, and apply this as my transition color. For my lid, I'm using the Colourbar All Day Waterproof Shadow Stick in the shade Blush 002. It's such a nice pink blush and looks perfect for this look. I will apply the same on the lower lash line as well. Now to top it up, I'm using the Kylie metallic shadows in the shade Twinkle Twinkle. I will apply it all over the lid and will set it with my finger. For my inner corner, again I'm using the Kylie Jenner metallic shadows, but this one is in the shade Superstar. I will use it in the inner corners and the brow bone. As mascara, I'm using the Kiko Maxi Mod Mascara on the upper and lower lashes. Wearing lashes is your choice, but I don't feel wearing them for this look as I have got my extensions done. I'm using MAC Boldly Bare as my lip liner. And fill my lips with the same. And on top of it, I'm using the MAC Creemsheen Gloss in Dynasty at Dusk. In the end, I feel that I should add a little liner on my lids, but I don't want to use black. So I'm using this Makeup Forever Aqua Eyes in the shade 18L, which is a pretty lilac color. So this is me with the final look right in front of you. I love creating such looks, and I'm sure that you also would have enjoyed the look. In case you like the look, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, because I teach you different looks every week. And yes, do not forget to hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload. I love you all, stay blessed and keep watching. And see you in my next video.